guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a classic Guyanese dish, chicken curry and dhal puri. This is something everyone in my family loves and I want to share this recipe with you. Starting with the split peas or dhal filling for the dhal puri. Over here I have some dal that's been soaking overnight. I have a pot with salted water boiling, and to that we'll add this dal that's been soaking overnight. We'll need to boil this for about 10 minutes until it's just soft. To that also we're adding some garlic, about 5 cloves, and two peppers. After about 10 minutes I drained our split peas and this is what it looks like. We'll get it ready for the food processor next. Okay, so this is what our split peas looks like after it's been ground up. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ground cumin or geera, whatever you call it, as well as salt to taste. Mix to combine. Our next step for the dhal puri is the puri portion of the recipe. In this bowl, I have 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Add water to combine. I've been kneading our dough for about 5 minutes now, and this is what it looks like. Cover and let it rest for 1 hour. After an hour, I divided our dough into pieces for a dhal puri, and now we're going to fill them. To fill the dhal puri with the dal, grab 1 piece of dough ball, and you want to stretch it out with your hands, pushing your palm against the dough, and keep going to form something like a cup or cone shape. So something like this. Push it down the center, and next I'm going to oil this. So I'm taking my fingers and add some oil in here. And finally, grab a big handful or 2 of this ground dal or split peas and push it in the center. So I think we can add some more in here. So I'm adding 2 handfuls of split peas. You want to make sure it's full because I like my dhal puri to have lots of dal in there. Next step is I take my thumb, push in the center to make sure it stays in there and doesn't fall out, and grab the edges around and tuck in. So tuck, tuck until everything is locked in there, and then you want to press to seal. Keep going until everything is sealed nicely. So something like that. And first one done, then you want to push it down to make sure the peas is evenly distributed in there. To cook the dhal puri, you want to dip the dough in some flour to make sure when you roll it out it doesn't break or burst. Then push it down again. I like to push mine down before I start rolling. And start rolling. Our dhal puri is all rolled out and ready for the tawa or griddle. Before I put my dhal puri on the griddle, I like to add some oil first so it doesn't stick, and then we'll add it on to cook. After about a minute, I just flipped it over, and then we're going to oil it. Flipped it over, and I'm oiling the second side of it. Okay, and this is our delicious soft dhal puri. If you like this recipe or any of my other recipes, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.